Howdy. You ready? All right, let's learn or earn, whatever you want to do, area model. Yes. So you come up with a problem like this. What do we got? 43 times 26. You're going to use the area model. Now, most of you around my age and would know you multiply 6 times 3 first, and you get 18. You carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24, and the 5, you put a 0, then you multiply the 2. Okay, this area model, or partial equation as really called, can all be done, let me turn the music off, can all be done by area model. Now, what I mean by area model is just that. So let's do that again. 43 times 23, right? You looking up there? All right, you got this? Now, an area, to find the area, it's width times length. So here is an area, right? To find out what's inside, you multiply this side width times length, and you get the answer, right? So here, and let me get my eraser, we have the width. Let's do 23 is the width. And let me draw a little better, let me draw a square here, actually, to make it more, that's the, all right. And we'll call the length 43. So I'm going to split it up. 40, and yeah, 40 times 3. And a lot of erasing here going on. And the other one will be 23. All right? What I did is a thing called decomposing. I split the number 43 into two parts, 40 and 3 plus 3 equals 43. 20 plus 3 equals 23, the width. Now we're going to multiply, okay? So you're actually doing this square right here, this area. So 20 times 40, because the width's here, the length's here, is 2 times 4, which is 8, and then you just add the two zeros, okay? And now, we're going to do this square. So this is still 20 right there, right? This width, and the length is 3. So 20 times 3, which 3 times 2 is 6, and you add the 0. Okay, now the width is 3 here, right? So, and the length is 40 still right here. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then you just put the 0 down. It's not actually 3 times 4, it's 3 times 40, right? And then 3, this is 3, and this is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now, what you did is you multiplied 20 times 40, 20 times 3, and you did 3 times 40, right? And 3 times 3. Now, this one was 800. This one was 60. This one was 120. Notice how I'm lining them up, the ones place and the tens place. And this one was 9. You add them up, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Your answer is 989. Area model. I think it's a lot harder, but this is what we're doing in school. All right, did you get it? 43 times 3. We're working area. Now, you can also do this. Oh, this isn't erasing very well anymore. You can also do it this way. Let me get another marker. Let's say you only have one digit. 3 times 45, right? So use the area model. Okay, to find the area, this is 3. And we're going to split this 40 and 5, right? So this area is 3 by 40. So we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12 and the 0. And then here, this area is still 3. Now we're going to do this this area. 3 times 5 is 15. So what we did is we said 3 times 40 equals 120. And 3 times 5 equals 15. You add them up, 135. Now, all we could have done is we could have just added these two, right? Because that we're doing these two areas. Because this whole thing is 45 times 3. Maybe I should have done this one first because it's easier. All right, this is Mr. Montana. I hope this helps the parents or the students. It's a quick boom, 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 boom. Any questions? Please call me, text me. I'm there. Okay, thank you.